How to enable Game Booster in Samsung A16 if it's not available. First, open Google Chrome and type Samsung Game Booster APK. Scroll down and tap on a trusted website, then scroll again and tap on All Versions. Download version 7.0.50 if you are using One UI 6 or One UI 7. If you are using One UI 8, install a newer version instead. Scroll down and tap the Download Now button. Then tap Download again. And wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, tap on the APK file and install it. To check, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Then tap on Game Booster Settings. As you can see, the settings are now available on the Samsung A16. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.